Ready, guys? Smile. Can you say hi? Say hi. Alright, we're at Fenway Park. It is June 15th. We have some special activities today. We're actually going to go inside the Green Monster before the game starts. So little buddy's here. Say hi, buddy. Suzi's here. And at 6 o'clock, we're going to meet up with our ticket wrapper. He's going to take us inside the Green Monster for a little VIP tour. So this should be good. Here we go. Can you say ball, please? Can you say, can I have a ball, please? So Henry got a ball from an A's player, and then what did you do? He threw it back on the field. Like the grounds crew got it back for us, but we got some popcorn. Wow. Is that cool?
Look how cool. Down.
Alright. Wow.
Look how cool. Look at all the numbers. Look at all the numbers. Look.
Smile. Hey, Henry.
Look at Daddy.
Wow, this is cool.
Look. Look. What's that one? And that one? 8. Good job.
Wow. You got all the teams down there. This is the view of the... Woo! Wow.
So wild.
That's the coolest view ever. Yeah, smile, guys. Here we go. Ready, guys? Smile. So Henry, we're out in the field. Can you say hi to everyone? This home plate. Show everyone what you do when you hit the wall. Ready? Here's Mama. You doing good? Yeah. Can you wave? Cool, look at that. Get the dugout over there for the players there. That's cool, huh? And the bases. Well, Mr. Henry's completed his third game here at Fenway. We left a little early because it's a school night. Mama, better go home to the baby. Does the Prue say go Celtics yet? Oh, they're doing that tomorrow. Probably tomorrow, right?